Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to walk through how to choose the right radiant floor heating system for your home. At WarmlyYours, we believe that comfort and energy efficiency can go hand in hand, and this session is designed to help you figure out the best system and the right size for your space. So let's jump right in. Let's start with why people love radiant heating. First, it's all about comfort. Radiant heat warms objects directly, so you don't get those chilly cold spots that force you to reach for a sweater. Second, it's energy efficient. Because we're heating surfaces and not just the air, you actually lose a lot less energy. Another big plus is improved air quality. Since there's no forced air blowing dust or allergens around, radiant heat is a healthier choice, especially for anyone with allergies. And finally, design flexibility. Our systems are invisible and installed under your floors, so you don't have to work with your furniture or decor around radiators and vents. Now, when it comes to product options, you've got two main starting points, our TempZone Flex Rolls and TempZone Easy Mats. Rolls are great for large open spaces, such as kitchens or living rooms. They give you broad, even coverage with a straightforward installation process. Mats, on the other hand, are pre-sized for smaller or very regularly shaped spaces. So if you want quick, targeted warmth, think bathrooms or entryways, easy mats are a perfect fit. We also have loose cable that can be run back and forth using either fixing strips or a membrane. Fixing strips or grip strips are a really great way to keep the project a bit more economical while also having a lot of installation flexibility. Our Presto membrane is really great if you're going to be heating underneath tile floors, as it makes the installation process quick and simple by holding those cables in place, while also adding extra support to the tile floor over time. So how do you decide how much of a room you want to heat? You've got two approaches, full room coverage or spot heating. Now, if comfort is your top priority, go for full coverage. You'll heat the entire floor in spaces you use most, like bathrooms, kitchens, or living rooms. Just measure your square footage, subtract the areas under appliances or cabinets, and add about 10% to account for installation waste. Now, if you're more budget conscious, spot heating might be the way to go. Here, you'll focus only on high traffic zones or specific comfort spots. Think about where your feet touch the floor most often and measure those areas carefully while still keeping furniture placement in mind. Now let's talk specifics on how to size your system. Across all of our options, whether it's rolls, mats, or cables, the process is simple. Be sure that you're measuring the length and width of your space to get the total square footage. Then you'll want to subtract out non-heated areas like under cabinets, vanities, or toilets, and round down to the nearest available heating size. One more tip is that you'll always want to keep heating elements about 3 inches away from the wall and about 4 to 6 inches away from a toilet's wax ring. You can see in some of these pictures here some good examples of showing where you'll want the heat to be located, as well as where you'll want to steer clear from. Now keep in mind, if you're using cables, you'll love the flexibility and you can weave them around obstacles, which makes them perfect for irregularly shaped areas like bathrooms or kitchens. Now, before you dive in, a few things to keep in mind. Radiant heating works beautifully under tile and stone, but it's also compatible with engineered wood, luxury vinyl, and even laminate. For controls, you've got choices. From basic thermostats to programmable ones, all the way up to smart thermostats that can learn your schedule and save you energy. And finally, be sure that you're checking your electrical system. Most installations require a dedicated circuit, and a larger project may need an upgrade to handle the load. When it comes to actually installing, be sure that you start with accurate measurements. Choose the right system type for your room shape and size, and while DIY installation is possible, we do always recommend a professional installation if you want the best performance and warranty coverage. And before you finish your flooring, don't forget to test the system to make sure everything is working perfectly. Now, here's where we make it really easy for you. WarmlyYours offers a free design service. Our experts will create a custom installation plan just for your space. Whether you go to the DIY route or hire a pro, you'll also have access to our 24/7 installation support team. And of course, all of our systems come with a strong industry-leading warranty protection. So if you're ready to take the next step, feel free to reach out today. You can give us a call at 800-875-5285 or visit our website at WarmlyYours.com. And you'll get your free custom plan and start enjoying the comfort of radiant floor heating in your home.